I'm here in the beautiful Peak District National Park in Derbyshire, England, right on the edge of the Chatsworth estate, and I'm on my way to work, but I've pulled over just to do a quick filming. I've not had a chance to do much filming lately because of the weather, so I didn't want to miss this opportunity. But whilst the weather's been bad, one of the things that I've been thinking about are all of the different settings that are available on this Mini Mavic. And a lot of them are automated, and that for me as an amateur, as a beginner, solves a lot of problems. It saves me a lot of stress and considerations. But there are some things you can adjust, like the frames per second, the resolution, and things like this. But do they actually really make a difference? Or more importantly for me, do they make a difference to me? I've done some reading, I've done some looking at other people's YouTube videos and things like that. But the real question, I suppose, for me is, how can I be sure? How can I test this out for myself? How can I settle into this personally? So what I've done is I've set myself a control. I've then adjusted that control with one setting at a time, and I've tried where possible or where appropriate to put those together on a split screen format, just to see if I can see the difference and whether the difference is worth it. Bear in mind things like file size and things like that. I've done this at a time when the weather's been stable, and I've done this in a place where there's both close-up things and landscape views, and as much as that. So I've done that, and this is what you're about to see. I don't think you're going to find it enjoyable as much. In fact, when I was editing it, which took absolutely ages, it made me feel a little bit sick at times. However, I hope you do find it interesting, and I hope you find it useful. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful national park for a moment.